for honoring our invitation. The chairman will still want our host and especially
General Leopold Chanda kugamba ebi aberari ha mukoro gukwinguza abapolisi ab'ekyanga kya Albertine South Region ababaire bamazire sande nibatendekwa kuba ararwanise emivuyo hamwe n'emihondano mu karuhura k'omwaka gw'2026 okubaire kuri ishomero rya Kitara Secondary School mu rurembo rwa Hoima.
The police are committed, and this goes to the general public, to protecting every individual involved in the electoral process. Every voter in the urban or the rural areas of Bunyoro has the right to vote freely. Candidates and party supporters also have the right to campaign peacefully.
Bigambo bye Chanda yanangiriza emyeto okwejumbira mu karuru kukora ebirungi konka kutari kukozesebwa abarikweyendeza ebyabo okureetaho emivuyo. Jeno Chanda nashobora nagira ngu eminyeto n'ekintu kikuru munonga ahabwanyensya y'ihanga bwiyabe etashomesibwe gye ihanga niribaasa kubandama.
To the youth of Bunyoro, you are the backbone of the communities and the future of our nation. Now, the youth are very important, and this is a message you need to share with them. They need to know that without them, there is no future. But if they are also confused and misguided, their future also will not be bright.
Muringo nukogume Jeno Chanda yanangiriza b'ekitongore eky'eby'obururu mu ihanga kya Electoral Commission okufayo munonga kulebeka ngo batebekanisa akaruru k'obusinze akamazima hamwe n'oburinganiza.
Elections should be a celebration of democracy, not a source of division. Let us demonstrate unity, respect, and tolerance. Even when our political choices differ, peaceful participation strengthens our communities, attracts development, and shows that Bunyoro can lead as an example of democratic responsibility.
Muringo nukogume Jeno Leopold Chanda yanangiriza abanya-Uganda obutazaharubaje y'akaruru gukoreka bakejumberemu okubaasa kutorana abebembezi abarikwetenga omu byanga byabo.
Uganda's electoral laws exist to ensure fairness, transparency, and accountability. The police will enforce these laws impartially, addressing offenses such as vote buying, impersonation, multiple voting, and any other attempt to manipulate results. We remind all political actors that the law applies equally to everyone. Accountability is essential for a credible election and for sustaining public trust in democracy.
Omugambo bye Frantairo Rwamsai uri mudumuzi wa polisi habw'ekyanga ekya Albertine South Region asiimire ekitongore kya polisi habw'okutebeekanisa okutendekwa oku ari kugira ngu kwizire omu bwire buhikire.
Training comes at a crucial time as our nation prepares for the forthcoming elections, a period that demands the highest levels of professionalism and readiness from our law enforcement agencies. The purpose of this public order management training, sir, was to sharpen our tactical skills, to improve on our crowd control techniques.
Muringo nugogumwe Badru Mugabi uri umujwekera w'umuyobozi w'ihanga ab'ururembo rwa Hoima hamwe na Brian Kabuyo urumeya w'ururembo nurwo rumwe byaragirize abanya-Uganda okwejumbira omu bintu ebirikuretaho obusinge mu karuru.
As politics, we are entering a political time, or we are already there, and Mao Zedong in his theory of war described it as war without blood, whereas war is politics with blood. So without a well-trained and competent force, then Mao's words could come to pass.
Our supporters, to make sure they follow what the police and the government is saying, to make sure that we are in the right direction at the right time, to make sure we don't cause harm and disrupt the campaigns or other people who are not politicking.
Gacha kwa gada saba wa Tayari West Hoima.
our host and especially one is my good friend. Yeah.